Welcome back, flight crew. I'm Kaylee, and today we are prepping and packing for a jam-packed trip. We leave for the airport in about 2 hours, so I'm currently in full panic packing mode. Just kidding. I prepped my whole suitcase. I'm gonna show you what's in it in a second. But we're going to Florida for a week. We're doing 5 days in Orlando, and then we're doing the last 2 days in New Smyrna Beach. We're also staying at 2 different resorts plus the beach house, so I don't know who approved this itinerary. So today I'm going to be doing a full prep and pack with me video for you guys and showing you exactly what it takes to travel to Florida or to Disney World, everything I bring to the parks with a toddler in tow. So if you're doing the parks with a toddler, then you're going to want to stick around because I got a lot of things to share. Everything from pool days, park bag, and yes, I have a system for all of it. Before we jump into this video, I quickly want to mention that a portion of this video is sponsored by CUPSHE, so thank you so much to CUPSHE for sponsoring this video. But I will be showing you my entire swim lineup for this trip, and I do have a discount code for you, so I will link everything in the description box if you want to shop some CUPSHE for your summer trips. So let's get into it. Here's everything we're prepping and packing for Disney. Okay, so we are staying at multiple resorts during this trip and doing multiple legs of the trip. So first 2 days are gonna be in the Universal area, and then we are moving over to Disney. But this was honestly the perfect excuse to refresh my swimwear, because who doesn't want new swimwear when you're doing multiple legs of a marathon Florida trip? But I needed some options because we're gonna have pool vibes, we're gonna have beach vibes. So this is the first one from my CUPSHE lineup. This is my favorite, I think. This is the Romantic Cruise red bikini set. And first of all, it literally has the word cruise in the name, so you know I had to grab this one immediately. It's a scoop neck top with high-waisted cheeky bottoms. I'm wearing a size small for reference. All of my sizes will be linked below, but I'm a small in everything. Tops and bottoms. I love that you can mix and match the sizes too. So if you're, let's say, a medium bottom, small top, you can do it that way. It's amazing. I love the high-waisted bottom on this one because when you're chasing a toddler around the pool, the last thing you want to worry about is feeling secure. But this delivers both while still being super cute. You can also pair any of the swimwear with this yellow crochet cover-up from CUPSHE that I love. This is the Seaside Whispers cover-up. The yellow together with any swimsuit is just such a fun combo. Butter yellow is everything for summer. This cover up is a crochet mini with long sleeves, so it's perfect from walking to and from the pool. If it's breezy outside, it's cute. It just gives vacation. This is an Island Air blue bikini set next up. I wanted something a little more laid back and easy for this one. Different vibe, different pool, different look, you know? And the blue is honestly everything for summer. It's that perfect, fresh, summery look. It just makes you feel like you're on vacation the second you put it on. Same exact silhouette as the red. It's the scoop neck with the high-waisted bottoms, size small again on both of these. I love that these two suits feel completely different, even though the shape is really similar. So I know I'm still getting that security with both of them. And this kind of gives like Disney princess vibes a little bit too, don't you think? The third look I love because it's reversible. So you basically get 2 swimsuits for one. On one side, you have that gorgeous houndstooth print, and then the other side is brown. So you can mix and match. You can get whatever look you want out of this bathing suit. This is a really good one if you're trying to pack light, but you want to look different in your photos a little bit. I love the halter top on this one. I love the little gold detail in the middle. I honestly think this one's gonna sell out really fast because the reversible detail is so amazing. The last one I want to show you guys for my CUPSHE haul is this black one. This is so cute for the moms or anyone who just wants to feel a little like, just a little extra cute. Honestly, sometimes a one piece is just the move when you're chasing a kiddo around. I could see this being really cute for a boat day, which we actually are doing in New Smyrna. This is the ideal black one-piece swimsuit, size small again. It has a plunge halter neckline with a high cut leg, and it is just so good. The plunge halter gives it this really glam, elevated feel, so it doesn't read practical mom swimsuit at all, but it is practical because everything's secure. The high cut leg also makes my legs look longer, which is amazing because I'm short. You could honestly wear this one to lunch too, throw some shorts on top, and it's super cute. As I said, all of these will be linked in the description box below, so check them out. Shop some CUPSHE, get a discount, you're welcome. Thank you again to CUPSHE for sponsoring this portion of the video. Okay, here is the current suitcase situation. So on this side, I basically have all of our clothes, and on this side, I have all of our other stuff. So we have one big suitcase to share for the 2 of us. What I love about this suitcase is it has these built-in packing cubes on both sides, and they link together so it holds everything underneath of it in place, which is awesome. There's so much storage in this thing. They're my favorite ones I think I've ever owned, and they're pretty affordable. So socks, underwear for both of us, all in here, bras, all the good stuff. My bathing suits are in this little section right here. So those are coming with me, of course. I'll open this up and show you guys what I have inside. I love packing with packing cubes, so I have one for each of us. So these are all of my shirts, dresses, shorts. Same for Finn. He's got, our pajamas are in there. All of our clothes are each in one packing cube. Outfits for the parks and for the beach. Cover-ups are right here with my flip-flops and his Crocs underneath. I love these Reef flip-flops. I've worn them for years. They're really comfortable. They have this like dream cushion bottom, I think it's called. I can link those too if you want. And then, of course, just some regular old Crocs for him. Up here, these are just two different belts in case I want to wear jean shorts, which I do have packed in here. So that is this side of the suitcase. I do want to show you guys really quick these socks that I got from Old Navy for this trip. They're so freaking cute. Look at these socks. I'm obsessed. They have a little frilly top. I thought this would be perfect for Disney, and I'm so excited to wear them with my outfits. All right, this side is where things get fun. Top pocket here, I have my little Shark blow dryer with the curling attachments. That's all I'm bringing to do my hair, and I do have a hairbrush in here somewhere. Nothing in this pocket, and then we're gonna flip open and show you what you got. This right here is my makeup bag. This is great because it has a pocket on the bottom for all of my brushes, and then the top is where all of my makeup lives. So this top part, zipper's here. All of my makeup is inside. I usually bring way too much. And then the bottom is where I keep all of my brushes. So it keeps them separate, keeps them all in one bag, which I love. In here, in this guy, I have some pull-ups for the little man. We're still sleeping in pull-ups, even though we're potty trained. So this is a big trip for us because it's the first time we're going without bringing diapers and things like that. So very exciting. Bubble wand, Buzz Lightyear, of course. If you go to the parks, buy the bubble wand once and bring it back every single time. They resell the bubbles for like $2. So you can get them in the gift shops, and it's so much easier than buying a new bubble wand every time. These are all my toiletries. I love this clear bag right here. It's just super easy to see everything. So I will literally either unpack this into a drawer, or I will just leave it like this on the counter. I'll show you what's in here. I have these super cute Mickey earrings. My husband actually found these for me at Aldi. I have another good Aldi find in here too. Toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, skincare, all those things. Deodorant, face tanner. I love bringing a face tanner just to touch up my self-tan. I have a fresh self-tan on right now because obviously we're leaving today, so I did it last night. But I always leave this Beauty by Earth face tanner in my bag so I can just touch up my tan if I need to. Little travel size things. This is my travel tinted sunscreen from Alastin. Love this stuff. Face wash. Harry's razors, of course, they're the best ones. I bring a full-size deodorant, okay? Do me. I bring a little one too, but I like to have my big one in my room. Hairbrush, all those things, toothpaste. I think that's pretty much it for this bag. I also do bring this Tower 28 hypochlorous acid spray. This helps to soothe stressed out skin. So when I'm traveling, I know my skin gets crazy sometimes. It also kills bacteria, just good for traveling. You can put it on cuts, scrapes, all kinds of things. So this is a good addition to your travel bag. This right here is my park bag. I've had this forever. This is from Petunia Pickle Bottom. It's their little Pixar bag. I don't know if they still sell this one anymore, but they have all kinds of amazing prints. I'm obsessed with Petunia Pickle Bottom bags. If you have kids, just get one. Trust me, they're so cute. This is holding my beach bags. So I have a mesh beach bag in here, which is great because if you're going to the beach, you can put your stuff in here, shake out all the sand, and it's gonna fly out of there and you're not gonna be carrying sand home from the beach. I have this little clutch right here that I'm gonna bring with me. Opens like this, and it's great to keep stuff in that you don't want to get sandy for the beach. So if you want your camera in here, your phone, your keys, your wallet, whatever. And then all of my ears are in here. So I have a variety of ears. We're going pretty basic this time. I have my Animal Kingdom ears. These are definitely Amazon. I remember buying these on Amazon. These ones are from parks from forever ago. They still sell ones that are really similar. They're actually, I think, even more glittery than this. These are all sequined, but I kind of like the current ones better that they sell at the parks. So super cute. Classic Minnie Mouse ears. And then these ones were an Aldi find by my husband too. So we're gonna take these with us this time. I like just packing all of my extra stuff in my park bag. So it has a place, I don't have to use an extra packing cube for it. A little packing cube, actually this one fits a ton of stuff in it. Underneath of that also, I have our rain gear. So I have a poncho and a stroller cover. Really important to bring this stuff. A lot of people forget rain gear and it's really rainy in Florida. So you don't wanna ruin your park day by standing inside and being stuck in like a gift shop or an attraction or whatever. Just go embrace it, throw on the poncho. It's a good time. You'll make great memories and your stuff won't get wet if you have a stroller cover. So I'll link that below as well. This is all of our stuff that's just like extra random little things we needed to bring. So we have goggles for my son. His ears, of course, they're embroidered from his first Disney trip. These little guys, I love throwing these cutie cuffs on to our bags. So I have a couple of outfits that coordinate with these, but I usually bring a bunch because they're just A, fun to wear, and B, they're really just so cute. These are all my son's toiletries in here. So this has his toothbrush, toothpaste, body wash, hair stuff, little sunscreen stick from Blue Lizard, all of that kind of stuff. His comb, his hair product. Love these for the parks. I hate a paper straw. I know it's better for the turtles. I get it. But I need a reusable straw because I hate when my straw disintegrates into my drink, and they are everywhere in Disney. These are cheap on Amazon. I always keep these in my bag. I love that they have a little hook on them, so I'll usually hook them on the inside of my bag so that I don't lose it and I can find it really easily when I need it. They have a little reusable silicone straw that pops out. See it like that? And then you just fold it back up and it goes right back in there. Fan, self-explanatory. Any fan will do. Buy a cheap one, buy an expensive one. I don't care, just bring a fan. You're gonna need it, it's hot. It's summertime in Disney. Two things that I think a lot of people don't think about. We love light up stuff at the parks, right? We obviously bring our bubble wand every time. It's a great thing. But a dollar store run for some glow sticks, I love bringing these for the fireworks because A, my son loves them, and B, you get a huge pack of these at the dollar store. This is an 18-piece pack for $1 at the dollar store, or $1.25 or whatever they charge at the dollar store nowadays. But I just love these because you can crack them open at the fireworks. You can pixie dust other kids around you. It's always a really special, fun moment. Kids are always excited to get a glow stick. So we're bringing some glow sticks for the fireworks, and this will last us all week. I also bring fairy lights for our stroller. I get these really cheap on Amazon too, usually. And I just bring like a little pack of batteries. 4 AA's is usually good. If 2 die, I got 2 extras. Waterproof phone case in case we want to go in the pool. You have to be careful with these. I think we said in our Amazon packing video for cruises, but if you leave your phone in this in the sun, it will bake your phone. Beware, but it does work. They are waterproof. I think I picked this one up really cheap. You can wear them around your neck. They're amazing. Sunscreen, of course. And then we've got our pop-up hamper. I love how small this thing is, and it pops up into a full hamper. So another great tip for after the beach, throw your stuff in here, shake it really good, and then you will have no sandy stuff. It folds up super easy. Packs really small in this little circle. I can't travel without this thing. I hate when my dirty clothes are mixed in with my clean clothes. I just do. That's it for our little bag. And this all fits in here really nicely. Zips right up, pops right in the suitcase, and we are good to close this guy up. What I love about this suitcase too is that this side zips in. So this side's really secure, and then you can just fold it right over. This is what the suitcase looks like. This is the big size from Traveler's Choice. I love these so much. Love the color also. But what's cool is it has locks on the top here, so your stuff stays secure. And then to unlock it, you just, whoop. Oh, this one's heavy. This is my personal item that I bring on the plane. I always bring this backpack. It's from a company called 50/50. I think it's technically a diaper backpack, but it's the best. It has so many pockets. So this is basically all my tech gear. I'm not gonna bore you with the details of this. I also have my little Pop Mart Pluto on here. I have 2 packing cubes worth of camera equipment. I love these packing cubes because you can see everything in them, but the color's also so cute. They're really sturdy. 1 tripod, chargers, cables, all that stuff goes in this backpack. My headphones, it's all tech. It's my laptop, my iPad. I have to bring all that stuff because A, I have to keep the content coming for you guys, but also I need to check in with work sometimes. This is what it is. You gotta keep the stuff around. And this is my toddler's carry-on. This is his backpack with all of our extra stuff. Also from Petunia Pickle Bottom. Love this bag. Like I said, Petunia Pickle Bottom bags are so good. I always keep coloring stuff. These are actually coloring placemats that I got on Amazon. Love those. This little minion thing from Target dollar section. I think this was a dollar store sticker thing. These things are amazing. I love these little drawing pads. They have a pen that's attached to them so you can't lose it. Doodle all over them and you just hit the button and it goes away. So these are really awesome to travel with because you don't have to bring a million crayons and things. And we know how that goes. Crayons break, they drop, they cry. We do download movies for him on Disney Plus to watch on the plane. And we also load up his YouTube Kids downloads And we keep his headphones in here. Love these headphones. They're from iClever. You can get them on Amazon. I always have an extra change of clothes in here for him. You just never know. I have wipes. I have baby wipes, and I also have antibacterial wipes, both great for different reasons, obviously. His little sunglasses, so cute. This is actually a hack I got from the Pixie Dusted Mom. If you don't follow her, you should, because she has the best travel hacks for kids, especially going to Disney. But this is like a mealtime bag. So I put this in our park bag or wherever we're going. This is so easy because it has that coloring placemat in there, and it has some like just a couple little toys and like coloring things in here and stickers to keep him occupied while we're at dinner, so I don't have to bring his iPad. If you bring your iPad, that's fine, but I'd rather keep him busy with other stuff. I have a wet bag in here in case we get any dirty clothes, and I always bring Ziploc bags because if we're snacking or we have leftovers of something and he wants to keep that, then I have a bag to put it in. Always an AirTag bracelet, safety first. Bug bite stick because the bugs are real in Florida. I have both his supplements and my supplements. Got to make sure both of us sleep while we're traveling. And then I also have just a little baby blanket. We use this a lot in the stroller because he does fall asleep usually sometime around the fireworks, during, after, don't know, but he usually does fall asleep at some point in the stroller. And we also use this on the plane just to cover him up. The plane gets cold, so I always bring a little baby blanket. That's his carry-on. Okay. This is my mom park bag. I'm obsessed with this. This is brand new to me. I actually saw somebody, I think it was also the Pixie Dusted Mom, had this one. Like I said, she's a gem if you need Disney tricks. I put my little magnetic guys. They sell these in the park, but I have my Mickey on here now. I'll change it out throughout the trip. This is the only bag I'm bringing for the parks for myself. Extra pairs of sunglasses, a portable charger, of course, wallet, another sunscreen face stick, because your sunscreen does wear off after a certain amount of time. And then this is just like my emergency park bag. I love this little packing cube. It was part of that other set that I have that is in my electronic bag. But I just keep like a little sunscreen in here. I keep lip liners, a mini deodorant, anything I might need, a pencil sharpener, Band-Aids. I have this little like spray sanitizer in here, little electrolyte packets. I have those in there in case we get dehydrated. I also have this little sunscreen brush, great for scalp or touching up. So that's my little emergency park bag. I think that's everything that's in this bag. That is everything that I am packing for this Disney trip. If this video was helpful to you, give us a like and subscribe down below. Stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot of vlogs coming from this trip, a lot of great content for you guys so that we can bring you the best tips and tricks for Disney World, Disney parks, Disney resorts, all the things. Lightning lanes. I know you guys have been waiting on a lightning lane video from me, so that is coming for you guys. We're gonna do a full guide breakdown of that. I wanna say thank you again to CUPSHE for sponsoring a portion of this video. We'll leave that discount code below for you guys. On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us, and we'll see you in Florida.